No! So, I'm going to do today on my first #1 episode. This is going to be really fun, kid, because...
Wait, look at this. Kari, look at this map. It's the same one, but look.
Abby, I'm making a video here. Okay. So, okay. It's okay, but still, watch it. Okay. So, we're gonna have lots of fun today. Having lots of fun today. My name's Kyrie Cox. Okay, and I hope you can subscribe after the video. Let's figure out what I have downstairs in my toy room. Follow me! Da-da-da-da-da-da. It's getting darker for people. It's okay. It's all part of the plan. Kapow! All of a sudden it's bright. Bet you heard that flicking sound. Well, if you didn't, there was a flicking sound. Ooh, let's see what I have made for us today. Whoa, whoa, It's very tall, isn't it? Well, I bet we can make it better. Bigger, better. One more pillow bigger. And no, don't fall, baby. Don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall. Do not ever fall, my love. My love. Don't fall, my love. Yes, I knew we could. So now to add the safety with this nice big giant long pillow. I'm gonna put it right back down over here. Okay. Now, what of our pillows? One of our pillows have gone missing. Found it! I hate Minecraft. This is my sister's pillow. So all you Minecraft lovers, I don't think you're going to love this video. So, what we're going to do with this big pile of pillows, we're going to have some fun in it. Well, I am. And kids, no. If you're thinking about trying it right now at home, don't. Unless asking a grown-up. Because I'm just 8. And I didn't even ask. But you should still ask for the safety. So, this pillow, this big glob of pillows is almost as big as me. Just almost. So that. Then I'm just going to jump on top. I bet we can scooch over just a little bit without having a lot of things fall off. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Let me take the camera, move it down just a little. There we go. That's a little better, isn't it? Okay. Well, I'll get that. I'm a little far now, but still, it's good. So, there we go. Sorry, my leg is a little itchy. fun. I have a diving board right there. I'm gonna call that my diving board to dive in all of that. Oh, so, camera down. Let's get started. Don't want a lot of noise coming in. So, let's get started. Oh, wow. So, I'm on my diving board here. I'm just going to jump on and have some fun. Bye. See you later.